Graving low fit. Double 8. Okay. Hello friend, how to gratting low fit with target, okay, and double 8. Wow. Okay, friend, how to gratting low fit with target and double 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow. Oh my god, amazing. Wow. 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 Oh my god. Amazing. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Amazing.